तीन फर्ज हैं गुस्ल के अंदर, rinsing the mouth, sniffing water up the nose, washing every visible part of the entire body. There are three farz of ghusl. First farz, अब इसकी थोड़ी सी वजाहत कर देता हूं. Quickly throwing a little water into your mouth and then spitting in back out is not sufficient. In fact, you must make sure that you wash every fold of skin and every corner of your mouth from the lips to the throat. Water should reach the area behind the back teeth, inside the dips of the cheeks, through any gaps in the teeth, the gums, and over the whole tongue, right back to the edge of the throat. If you are not fasting, then you should gargle as well. It is sunnah to do so. Bits of piece of meat that remain stuck in the teeth must be removed. Unless it is harmful to do so. अगर कोई चीज़ भी दांतों में ऐसी रह गई जो आप रिमूव नहीं कर सकते, मतलब नहीं किया आपने, और पानी वहाँ बहना फर्ज था और पानी वहाँ नहीं बहा, गुस्ल नहीं होगा. ठीक है, गुस्ल नहीं होगा. Quickly splashing a bite of water onto the tip of your nose is not sufficient. In fact, the entire soft part of the inner nose up to the beginning of the hard bone, यहाँ देखिए इधर सख्त हड्डी शुरू हो रही है आपकी, हाथ लगाएं, must be washed thoroughly. Must be washed thoroughly. तो ये नाक पे पानी चढ़ाने का तरीका है.